Hey Long Beach State, welcome back to Beach Week. Today we're here at the 19th annual celebration of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. This is one of the many Black History Month celebrations going on across campus, put on by Beach Pride events and other departments. It's going to be an activity-filled day, so let's go check it out. Students and faculty congregated to honor Dr. King's philosophy and promote open discussion with this year's theme, Creating a Just World. To celebrate his legacy, speakers and other performers shared their views on how Dr. King's message is relevant today. An essay contest was also held, with the winner receiving a commemorative plaque along with other prizes. Following the performances, there was a keynote presentation from Funmilola Fagbamila, a Nigerian-American scholar, activist, and artist. The event concluded with an open panel discussion between her and student representatives. I'm thrilled that LBSU is showing support to the African American community and continuing the legacy that Dr. King left behind. Black History Month shows the strength of all African Americans, and I can't wait to see you at next year's celebration.